Hello, welcome to my channel. I am the Silver Wheel Witch. I provide psychic, tarot, and oracle divination videos. Links to my playlists are in the description. Today we are going to start a whole new playlist called Decoding the Tarot. And I thought I would keep these light and fun, and most of the videos will be a little short, but being that this is my first one, I kind of wanted to give you a little bit of an explanation. So learning the tarot is a lifelong pursuit. You can never know all there is to know. So you will always be studying if you are someone that works with the tarot. And so something new that I have been doing is taking out, say, the full card and then shuffling and grabbing one card and putting it side by side and doing pair readings and just kind of seeing what story or what imagery or what intuitively I am sensing from these cards that as a pair, what they represent as one. So truly as a card pair. So that whole thought of two coming together to be one is basically the essence of these. And so this has been the funnest one so far. So I thought I would start with it and we'll go from there. Okay. So from here, also just to let you know that I am using the Reflective Tarot deck, and the cards we have today are the Fool and the Chariot. So when I got these pair together, the first thing that came to mind was let the journey begin. And then the next thought was, oh my gosh, the person driving the chariot is the High Priestess, right? You can see that she is leaving her kingdom where she resides on the top of a mountain, a majestic place. Her pillars in the background in the water because she is so connected to spirit. She lives in the spirit realms, and her chariot is being led by these mystical beings that are representing her pillars. Also a sense of balance there. She is in her spiritual warrior garb, right? She is in her I can't speak today, I apologize. Spiritual warrior outfit with her crown on and the stars above her head in her chariot. She is taking with her everything that she is, all her wisdom, all everything. She has been through a lot and so has gained this wisdom and connection to spirit, and she knows that she is embarking on this new adventure. But what has been and where she is going is of no concern to her. She is in the moment. She is embarking on a new journey, and she is moving forward with speed. And the High Priestess, in her spiritual warrior aspect of herself, is a powerhouse. She is a mighty being, and may you cross her and be blessed by her. May you come meet on the path with her and be blessed by her. But at the same time, you don't really want to cross her because she is really in control of who she is. Control doesn't seem like the right word, but I'm not quite sure how to put that into words. She has all her powers. She's got her wand and her belt on there, and she is taking it all with her. She also, I am noticing, has basically her getup here, has a patch over where the cross would normally be, on her chest, on her dress. So it is still there. It is just covered up. And yeah, I mean, and then the number on the card is 7, which to me represents opening like gateways and moving. I mean, she is in the spirit realm. She can move to the past and to the future, and she can move to the underworld and the upper world and the in-between, and she is just on the move now, right? Yeah, it was just really fun combination there when I saw that. So let me know what you think. What is your first intuitive impressions of these two cards? I would love to know down in the comment, putting them together as one. What do they represent for you? Let me know. Or better yet, if you do YouTube videos, I'd love to see others do the same thing, sharing their perspectives on decoding the tarot and, you know, what the code pairs are or individual cards or whatever you want to do. I'd love to see them. All right, I'll talk to y'all next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please check out my Etsy store if you are interested in $1 tarot related downloads. And please like, share, and subscribe to help others find the channel. See you all next time.